What's up, YouTube? It's 터프정우.
And Ashley, watch.
Today is Ashley's Taekwondo belt promotion day. And today is last test day. Let's go.
My brain.
So,
Take one.
facing blocking, sir.
Facing blocking, sir.
1, 2, 15, jump.
1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. 5, sir. 6, sir. 7, sir. 8, sir. 9.
Go.
What's up, YouTube? It's 터프정우.
And Ashley, watch Italia. Watch Italia.
Hey, today is Ashley's Taekwondo belt promotion day. And today is last test day.
Can't wait to get out. Because I don't like this place.
What belt are you getting, princess?
Junior black belt. Yep.
Nice.
Let's go.
My brain.
This is intermediate and advanced testing, so you should already be familiar with the order of things. While you guys are meditating, you should be thinking about what promise you're going to make with your parents or grandparents. Each time, make sure it's something that is challenging. If it's not challenging, then it's not going to help you move. Your goal should always be leveling up, not only just inside the gym, but outside as well, right? And parents, welcome to another fighter Taekwondo testing. And as you are already familiar, right after their meditation is over, we're going to step in, sit with them, go through the promise ceremony together. See, Mr. Ryan's already ready, got his shoes off. So if you can, right after the meditation, please get your shoes off. We're going to sit with them. So there you go. Close your eyes, please. Don't forget.
Say Italy is cheering me on.
What are you
Please.
gonna promise me?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You would promise me that Roblox character is like an
Book is what
encyclopedia.
you have to do.
Behave. I
And
think.
What does that mean, this one? Hey,
Oh.
wake up. You can do.
Can you say Italy from Italia is cheering me on?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Promise.
Yes, I promise. Now say
Everybody.
Italy from Italia is cheering me on right now. Please feed into my delusions.
Stand up, please.
자리야. 오케이, 보내. 바로. 하나, 둘. Away nation. To you. Respect parents. Taegeuk. Bless the elders. 자리야. 사람한테 그냥.
Alright, you already know the drill. Let's pick up our spots. We're going to start the line from here. I want you guys to sit alongside the orange. We should have plenty of space so you don't have to sit too close to each other. You have a little bit of room, right? So first line first. Let's go. So,
Take one.
facing blocking, sir.
Facing blocking, sir.
1, 2, 15, jump.
1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. sir. 20, sir. 21, sir. 22, sir. 23, sir. 24, sir. 25, sir. 26, sir. 27, sir. 28, sir. 29, sir. 30, sir. 31, sir. 32, sir. 33, sir. 34, sir. 35, sir. 36, sir. 37, sir. 38, sir. 49, sir. 50, sir.
40.
41, sir.
42, sir. 30, sir. 44, sir.
45, sir.
6, sir. 47, sir.
48,
sir.
sir.
49, sir. 50, sir.
바로 쭉. Kicking combination, sir.
Kicking combination, sir.
Double kick, middle high, switch feet, tornado kick. Hit. Go.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
High. Go.
Ah! 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 Ah!
팔짱, sir.
Pick up high jump, sir.
More speed, rush. 시작.
Ah! Ah!
바로. 바로 raise, right? Stop. 감사합니다. Turn around. Great with tornado kick. So, 중에 fighting saves 자, 준비. Which foot you want to break with? Right foot. If you're breaking with right foot, put your right foot in front of you. And we're going to angle the target just towards your and then when you're doing your tornado kick, make sure you're not spinning in. Come in here. Okay? You ready? A little bit higher. Not target.
You can do it.
A little more. Hard and keep shaking. Go!
Hug, hug. Good job. Oh my goodness, your door on my door.
자, 예. 준비.
Ah!
저.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Cake, baby.
Ah! Ah!
Cake.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
자,
came here first time is less confidence. But now, very, very.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Send up, please.
Shut it up! Okay, but tomorrow.
McKenna.
Shut it up.
Let's gather real quick for a group photo. Those of you.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.